Hello, children. Today I'm going to tell you a story about a mouse. Yes, Reggie's shrinking clothes. Now we will see in the story why Reggie's clothes are shrinking, why they are getting smaller day by day. So let's read the story. Reggie Mouse was a cheese lover. He loved eating cheese for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. He was getting chubbier and chubbier day by day. His mother, Rita Mouse, scolded him every day for eating so much cheese. Reggie, do you want to turn into a big blown balloon? But Reggie didn't bother. Rita Mouse would give him a platter full of fruits, cereals, and other healthy food, but he refused to eat. Cheese was all he wanted to eat. So he would say, "No, mother, no way, I can't eat these green salad. I only love cheese for my meals." So, children, Reggie was a mouse who was getting chubbier and chubbier day by day because he was eating only cheese in breakfast, in lunch, in dinner, and then he was not eating any fruits or salads or anything else. So, the mother is saying, if you keep on eating cheese like this, you would be blown like a big balloon someday. So, Reggie is saying, I don't like eating anything else, I will eat only cheese. One fine morning, Reggie was getting ready to go to a friend's party. As he tried wearing his shirt, the buttons started breaking. Pop, 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 and all of them came out one by one. "Oh no, my shirt has shrunk," cried the mouse. Now he started wearing his pant. Again he heard a sound, rip, rip, rip. He was surprised and thought, "Oh, my pant too have shrunk." Reggie rushed to the cupboard and took all his shirts and pants and tried them on. Pop, 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 broke all the shirts button. Rip, 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 went all his pants. Now Reggie panicked. What will I wear to the party? Now, one fine day, Reggie has to go to his friend for a party, and he took out a shirt. He wore a shirt, but it was tight, so all the button came out. Then he tried the pant, and the pant also ripped off, teared off. Pant भी उसका फट गया. So now the mouse was getting very tensed, and he was saying, "Now what will I wear for the party?" He cried loudly and called out his mother. "Mom, Mom, please hurry, see what happened to my clothes." Mother Mouse came running to the room, worried. "What's wrong, child? Why are you crying?" she asked and gently shook her head. Reggie sobbed and said, "Mother, this is awful. See, all my clothes have shrunk." Rita Mouse smiled at the son's innocence. She said, your clothes have shrunk. I can tell you a trick to make them fit again. Just listen to what I say." So now the clothes are not fitting Reggie. Reggie is calling mother, "Mom, come see what happened. All my clothes are small now. I can't wear them. What should I do?" So the mother is saying, "I can tell you a trick. Listen to it and start practicing it. Stop eating cheese all the time. Start eating healthier foods like fruit, cereal, and green salad. I promise your clothes will fit you soon." Reggie wondered if this would really help. He asked his mom, while eating healthy food help me to fit in my clothes again?" "Of course, dear," replied Mother Mouse lovingly. "Also, we must run every day and you will surely fit in your clothes." So, Mom is saying that stop eating cheese, start eating fruit, salads, cereals, and other things. And you should run. You are a small boy. Once you start running and eating healthy food, you will reduce your weight. And when you reduce your weight, all your old clothes will fit you back again. Reggie was happy and started eating carrot, spinach, cereal, and fruit every day. Soon he lost much weight. Now, when he put on his clothes, he was delighted to see how easily he fit in his clothes. So Reggie listened to his mom, and he started eating carrots, spinach, cereals, and all healthy food. And soon the old clothes started fitting him, and he was so happy. He said, "Finally, I lost some weight, and now I am in my old clothes." So, children, a balanced diet keeps your body healthy. We should always eat healthier food, children. Eating chips, chocolate, ice cream will taste better, but then it will increase your weight, and then you will not be able to run around. You will feel very lethargic, very tired, and you will not be fit and healthy. And when you eat spinach, when you eat carrot, when you eat salads, and when you eat proper meal, yes, it also tastes yummy, and it will keep you fit, and you would be very very sharp. So you don't have to think of going running somewhere. You just quickly can get up and run, and you will stay healthier, fitter, and always active. So try avoiding these junk food, children, and try eating all healthy food that your mother gives you. Okay, that way you will always stay fit and active. With this story, children, I will see you again in my next class. You read the story again. I know you will enjoy it, and from now you will only eat healthy food and try avoiding all your junk food. Okay, take care of your health. Bye bye, children.